So over here I have an audio file right here. Let me just go around and press the play button. This is a test audio. If you were to hear it, then the voice only comes from the right channel right here. And sometimes what I want to do is I want to swap the channel from right to left and left to right. So now, in order to swap the channel, you can use an effect. So to do that, you need to go around under effects right here and under audio. And over here, you can see that swap channel is an effect. If I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then what happens is that now it simply swaps the channel. And if I were to press the play button, this is a test audio. Instead of right, it comes up from the left. But if you have the audio both on left and right channel, then what happens is that it swaps the left channel to the right channel and right channel to the left channel right here. And that is how the swap channel works inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.